Alright guys, tonight's activity is the stone game and heads and tails. So let's check out the stone game and let's check out the heads and tails game. Alright, so now we're going to meet the contestants this evening for the stone game. Alright, turn around guys. These are our contestants. This is contestant, hey, right here, everybody look here. This is contestant number 1. What is your name?
Hannah Grace.
Hannah Grace. Your contestant number 2, what is your name? Sean. And your contestant number 3, what is your name?
Ashby.
Ashby? That's your name, Ashby?
Yeah.
Okay. These are our 3 contestants for the stone game tonight. So guys, in order to determine who is going to go first, they play rock, paper, scissors. So, get ready to play rock, paper, scissors. Who's going first?
Nothing.
He's going first? Who's going second? Second, third. Okay. So the object of the game is they line up here with a stone in their hand. They toss the stone down the driveway here. Okay, go ahead. And the object is to get as close as you can. Go ahead. All right, one more. And the object is to get as close to this little line right here as you can with your stone.
If you're here, you get 20 points.
If you get there, you get 20 points. And then what is the thing with the flicking of the hand? Whoever loses or whoever wins?
Whoever wins.
Whoever wins flicks the other person's hand, right?
Yeah.
All right, show them how you flick the person's hand.
1, 2, 3.
They flick the other person's hand 3 times. So this has been going on now for about, I don't know, a half hour now. But we had to get a little organization going on here because one would throw and the other one would run down there and the stones were going flying. We have the baby running around. We didn't want to get the little baby hitting the head with a stone. But this is the entertainment for this evening, the stone game. We got a cat now. We got to make sure the cat doesn't get hit. Oh, good. The object is to get as close as you can without going over. If you go over, you lose. Well, like I said, we got to clear the alleyway every throw so nobody gets whacked in the head with a stone. And we have to go to the hospital. What entertainment. Who won? Who won? He won? Sean, you win? Did you have to flip? Did you flip their finger? Oh.
And she's out.
And she's out. She went over. All right. There it is.
Luisa.
Now we got a car coming. So we gotta hold up for the cars. We got people walking. We got jeepneys coming or trikes coming by. Oh, there's a line. Puya's gonna put a line, a piece of rope, piece of string down there so they can see it easily.
Game!
There it is. Game on. Game on. Here comes the first stone. Oh, and it's over. Second one, and that one's over. No winner. Everybody went over.
We're gonna try again.
Hey, John. Watch, baby. Next. Next. And a Grace. Wow, that's a good one. That's a good one. Oh, that one's over. Hannah Grace is the winner. All right, so now we moved on to the heads and tails game. Spin the coin and everybody guesses if it's heads or tails. So let's check out the heads and tails game.
Ano sa'yo? Hindi pwede, isa lang. Abala ko. Ano sa'yo? Tao. Oy. Wala. Oh, isa pa.
All this excitement over heads and tails game.
Teka lang. Bingay. Oh. Ano sa'yo? Ikaw?
Ibon.
Ikaw?
Ibon.
Ikaw?
Ibon.
Okay.
Ikaw kanina kapag sila kita eh. Wala pa. Wait, mayroong manguhula.
You gotta catch it, look.
Teka!
Alright.
Ano sa'yo? Ikaw?
Ibon.
Ikaw?
Ibon.
Don't forget baby. You forgot baby. You need to get baby. You need to get baby's answer.
What's yours? Itong tuda.
Ibon sa akin.
Oh. 1, 2, ready, get set, go. Ano sa'yo? Ikaw?
Ibon. Ay, tao ka? Tao ka na. Tao na siya ate. Tao.
So yeah, that was that's our entertainment this evening. Kids are always out here playing, always making up some kind of little game. But I hope you enjoyed that little entertainment. Anyways, if you haven't subscribed, make sure you subscribe. Like, share, dislike, choice is always yours. Leave comments below. Share with your family and friends, and I'm getting back to the stone game.